Do you want...
We're here by the river, which has gone up about 50 feet, and we can't cross. So now we're waiting for it to go down.
Thank you. What a great observation.
Chances are zero. Zero.
What, does it look too deep?
It looks too deep.
Could you show me where? Ah, I see. So what do you think we should do?
Swim.
Do you have anything you want to say to the camera?
My Lord, if I happen to come to you before my time, please accept me.
Anything?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, then we're ready to go. Thank you, gentlemen.
Are you all aboard?
Yes. As aboard as we'll be.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Here comes the adventure.
We're heavy enough not to go over, but...
All right. That's this little area right here. Anybody scared shitless? Okay, there we go. That's the truth in advertising. Let's turn back. I don't think we can make it. Woo! All right.
Country road, take me home.
Okay, who needs to change their pants?